This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
What is up guys? Aripur is here and welcome to Research Volume 1 Finding Company Information for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to find company website. At first, you have to right click on the company name, then click on the copy, then you have to minimize the Excel program. After minimizing Excel program, you have to open Google Chrome browser. Then type google.com in the address bar. Then press enter. Then you have to paste the company name on here and you have to press enter. Here you can see website in the right side of the Google first page. Before clicking on website, you must have to check the company address because company address is important issue to find a correct data. Click on the website. This is the company website which I am searching for. Now just make selection and collect the company website. Thanks for watching this video.